He's like, don't see me. He's like, don't see me. Oh, they stood up. That was Alvin. That was Alvin right there.
Well, hey everybody, here we are, day 3, our last full day out here in Creede. We're currently going on the Center Stock Drive Trail. We're trying to get over to Oso Creek. So if you ever want to come over here, you go up the Continental Divide Trail, which is 505. And then there's an offshoot that's 505.1. And if you hang that left, there's Declan. If you hang that left, you can come over here and we're at this like kind of scenic viewpoint area. And we just got a little ways to go, try to make it over to Oso Creek and then see if we can hike around to the head of Miners Creek. So hopefully we can make that happen. We went over there a couple years ago and it dead ended on us and we just didn't have time at that point to do the hike. So maybe we'll try it this time and see what happens. All right, so here we are up at this kind of scenic view area on trail 505.1 and it's on the Center Stock Drive. Taking a little break real quick and then we're gonna head on around. So I think that is Miners Creek down there. We're getting ready to go to Oso Creek and Oso Creek runs into Miners Creek, but we're trying to get to the head of Miners Creek. So we're gonna find out if we can actually get over there. I'm gonna do what we can to make that happen. So we'll see. Well, we made it up here to Oso Creek where the trail kind of dead ends and they've got it blocked off where you can't ride four-wheelers or side-by-sides. You can only hike. I think you can ride a bike, which I don't know if I do that, or you can ride like a mule or a horse through here, but we're gonna see if we can make it around there to the head of Miners Creek. I haven't been there since 2006. It's quite a hike from here if I remember, but I guess we'll go as far as we're willing to go and see what happens. And it's a little bit windy, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me very well. But right there is the entrance where you see those two little, they're like little poles. Start the trail. We're parked. We've got our backpacks on. Ready, Declan? Yep. It's gonna be really cool. Yeah, 2006 we came here and we were riding our ATVs through here, and you used to be able to take Jeeps through here, but they gradually just went to smaller and smaller vehicles. This is cool.
Yep. It's like something cut down.
Cut it with a chainsaw.
It might be a beaver.
A beaver? Yeah, maybe. I haven't done too many hiking videos up here. I'm normally not the hiking type. But the main attraction we're heading to, if we can get there, it's quite a sight to see. Yeah, the creek's down there. Creek's going down and we're going up, huh? Yeah, 2006, my Uncle Myron my cousin Cameron and I went over here. Cameron was on his dirt bike. I was on my 3-wheeler. Myron was on his 4-wheeler. And told the guys I apologize ahead of time if this is a really far hike, because I don't really remember. It was 2006 last time I was here. I've slept a few times since then. Altitude getting me already. Yeah, we need to look for Bigfoot.
Yeah. And all of us tackle him at once.
Oh, we're all tackling him at once?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's probably stronger than any one of us by ourselves, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't look at what time it was when we left just now. Yeah, we just couldn't all get here since the 4-wheeler's broken. Nathan and Ethan are chilling out back in Creede. And we're walking. Pro tip for anybody, if you come do this, we didn't bring a firearm with us this time, and we forgot to bring bear spray. But I would recommend, if you come up here, to bring one or both of those. You got a log in the trail. You scare the mountain lions away?
And bars.
Oh, I'm a little bit winded, y'all. I do pretty good in altitude up here, but so this year before we went on the trip, about 3 weeks before, I started jogging to try and get in shape for being out here. And then I messed up my knee, and then 2 days later, messed up my right ankle. So I only got like 3 days worth of running in. So it didn't really benefit me a whole lot. Haven't been keeping track of how far we've been going. But at this point, we've been hiking for about 15 minutes. Another log in the trail. These hiking boots I'm wearing, I'm gonna have to replace them after this trip. The sole is coming completely loose on one of them. And I think I got these boots like, shoot, anywhere from like 16 to 18 years ago. They're just Walmart, like Ozark brand hiking boots. And they're waterproof. And I got these, I think they're also either composite toe or steel toe. I don't remember for sure. But they've served me well out here. They're good boots for riding 4-wheelers. And then doing a little bit of hiking. Walking through creeks. All that good stuff. I guess I'll take one for the team and be the, if there is a bear or anything, I'll be the one to encounter it. There's no shortage of sticks laying on each side of the trail, so if nothing else, maybe I can joust with a bear. It's actually getting a little warm. I might have to remove my hoodie here in a little bit. Whew. Well, we've turned the corner and we're going back a little bit north now, northeast, probably east-northeast. And I hope we don't have to turn again. I hope this is the right valley, because, you know, this hike's not bad, but I'm just not built for it. Ate a big breakfast, got plenty of calories in, so hopefully I got plenty of energy. Got some Gatorade with me and some bottles of water. So should be good to go.
That's got Burt Reynolds in it. It's got Burt Reynolds and Warren Beatty. No, Ned Beatty. I think is it father son? I think really sure.
Let's see it, Declan. Let's see you go under the log. Limbo time.
Limbo time. I think I'll break my back doing that.
I think Declan's feet probably smell bad enough to ward off any bears. Declan says he's got a magic wand. He's gonna cast a spell on any animals that might try to come after us. There are a lot more logs across the trail. There were some we had to ride over. I remember last time I was here, 2006. So you can see some of these people have cut, you know, used a chainsaw, cut them out of the trail. Then there's still some more over here. That have not been cut. All right. That's the thing about walking. You just walk around them. So if this is the correct valley, we should exit this into a clearing. And I may, when we get to this clearing, get the drone out and do some recon, fly it up the valley a ways and make sure we're in the right spot. Center stock driveway. That's funny. This is an old panel, and instead of taking it off, or maybe they had two of them, and they just, when that one got faded, they just pulled the other one down. Got a nice little bullet hole right there. People have written their names on here. Classy.
I think I know this.
You think you know this?
That.
Yeah? What about it?
In Slenderman, the game.
SLENDERMAN.
Some like posters I have to collect.
Yeah?
And that might be one of them.
Oh, okay.
So we also gotta watch out for Slenderman.
So we gotta watch out for bears, for Sasquatch, and SLENDERMAN.
Yep.
Okay. Well, you tell me if you see him, all right?
Okay, but he has these tentacles so he can like climb the tree.
Oh, okay. Well, that's convenient for him. Are you having fun, buddy?
Yep.
Yeah? We're doing a little bit of a walk today, getting in our exercise.
Yep.
And we're gonna be sitting in the truck for 11 hours tomorrow. So we better stretch our legs out while we can, burn some calories, and hopefully this pays off and we can see what we came out here to see.
And maybe my truck can't.
I don't know about that.
I said maybe.
Yeah, I know.
Give her up.
We're descending, and I think we're getting close to the forest's edge. You're funny, bud. I don't see it now.
I think it's going towards that way.
There's a cow elk up there somewhere.